Welcome friend to my YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. Guys, today we are having the question, and the question is a sum of rupees 370 is to be divided among A, B and C such that A's share is equal to B's share and B's share is equal to C's share and are in the ratio that is 3:4. Then A's share is, so here we have to find out the A's share. But before starting, it is requested to the all of my friends, please subscribe the channel Aptitude Math Learner. So here we are having some conditions. So here the total sum we are having, that is 370. So this is the total sum, and now if we go to the condition, it says that A's share is equal to B's share. So for this we are having A's share is equal to B's share and B's share is equal to C share. So here we are having, that is B's share is equal to by C's share. I hope till here you have completely understood the method. And these are equal to, that is how much? That is 3:4. So the shares are equal to 3:4. Now if you see, we have just taken A ratio B, that is 3:4, and for B ratio C we have also taken, that is 3:4. So for this we take that, let A ratio B that is 3:4 and B ratio C we have also taken, that is 3:4. I hope till here you have completely understood. And now to find out the ratio for A, B and C, we take that is, so we take that is A ratio B ratio C, and here for A ratio B, that is 3:4, and for B ratio C we have also taken, that is 3:4. And now to find out individually each ratio, so first thing which we have to do, we have to multiply this portion by B. So this becomes, that is 3 multiplied by 3, we get, that is 9. And the second step we have to do, we have to multiply B by B. So 4 multiplied by 3, we get here, that is 12 ratio, and the last step, that is B ratio C, and 4 multiplied by 4, we get here the answer, that is 16. So these are now the ratio for A ratio B ratio C. I hope till here you have completely understood the method. And now therefore let their share be X. So we have just taken their share as X, and this becomes, that is 9x plus 12x plus, and this is 16x is equal to, and the total sum we are having, that is 370. So we have just taken the total sum, that is 370, and this becomes, that is 370. And after this we get here, so we add all these three, it becomes, that is 9 plus 12 plus 16, that is 37. X is equal to 370, and here we get the value for X, that is 370 divided by 37, we get here the answer, that is, so 3 ones are and 3 tens are. So here the value for X is 10. And now The final thing which we have to do, we have to find then A's share is, so we have to find out A's share, and here we have just taken the A's share that is in the ratio that is 9x, and here as well now A is in the ratio that is 9, so A's share that is in the ratio that is 9x, and this becomes that is 9 multiplied by, and the value of x we are having that is 10, so we multiply it by 10, and A's share becomes that is 90. So this is A's share, and this is our answer. I hope you have completely understood. So thank you very much, but don't forget to subscribe the channel.